Hey guys, how's it going? How to craft an ATS optimized resume using ChatGPT. So if you haven't downloaded the app, you can just go ahead and download ChatGPT from your App Store or Google Play. Okay. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna open up that ChatGPT. First, use keywords from the job description. Copy the job posting and ask ChatGPT, extract, for example, extract key styles, styles and keyword from this example, right? Job description. You're gonna basically tell the ChatGPT to extract the key styles. Let's have an example. I'm gonna tell him, like, make an example, right? This is basically the keywords in highlight, right? Next, write strong summary. For example, experienced marketer looking for a job, right? And you can type basically write a strong summary, right? Before, it used to be something of your niche, right? Afterwards, you're gonna be able to just type a results-driven digital marketer with expertise in SEO, PPC, and content strategy. Or you can type, as the ChatGPT said, a result-driven marketing manager with expertise in digital marketing, brand management, and market research. Next, format for ATS. Use simple, clean layouts, no tables, images, or fancy font. Okay. Next, while doing your resume. Okay. Next, optimize bullet points. As ChatGPT, rewrite, right? My work experience. Okay. Bullet point to be more impact driven. Okay. I'm basically gonna let ChatGPT reason, right? And you're gonna be able, let's say, write an example. Okay. And you're gonna be able to see the result. Okay. Lastly, customize for each job. Adjust the resume for different applications, right? By refining keywords, as we mentioned in the first paragraph or the first part of the ChatGPT, right? First part of the prompt. And pro tip, always run your resume through an ATS checker. Like, you can go and use, for example, job scan, right? These websites allows you to analyze the basically your resume, and you're gonna be able to scan your resume before applying. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.